Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Leo. These days, varied content such as online live events or live conferences or some special lectures are rapidly increasing because of COVID-19. Many people are noticing Relay is the best solution for those things. People who just get to know Relay app are gonna be like, wow, it's awesome. How do you do this? Well, it's easy. Just download Relay. It's free. You can do all the things that you need, like importing images, editing, resizing and featuring them on your live stream. And there's honestly so much you can do with it. But then, if you want even more, you can subscribe to our plans. Well, it's just a one-time payment and you can live stream freely with no restrictions. And this is something that we're going to talk about today. To subscribe to the plans, first open the Relay app. You may see the gear icon at the top right corner, which is setting. Press the button and start plan. Then stream now. For Android, there are two stream plans. One is single live plan and the other one is multi-live plan. If you subscribe to single live plan, which costs $3.90 each month, you can use Relay without any advertisements or logo. If you subscribe to multi-live plan, which costs $39 each month, you can connect up to 4 devices to display various angles and additionally connect a CG without any advertisement and logo. Choose the plan that's right for you. For iOS, you can do all the things with Relay, such as connecting multi-camera or CG for free. But there's a 15-minute time limit and there's a logo on the screen. But if you subscribe to multi-live plan, which costs $3.90 each month, you can do all the things. There's no advertisements and the logo on the screen is removed. And someone is going to be like, oh my gosh, if I use 4 devices, do I have to subscribe the plans on all devices I'm going to use? Well, my answer is no. You don't need to subscribe every single devices. Just sign into your Google account on Google Play or Apple ID on App Store and go plans on Relay. This is the information about the price for a subscription. But you know what? We're providing free trial. It is free for 3 days and allows to test all features of Relay without paying, which is amazing. If you subscribe to plans, the free trial is started. But if you don't want to subscribe plans with paying, just cancel it at least 24 hours before the trial ends. And here's how you cancel your subscription. For Android, cancel anytime in subscription on Google Play. For iOS, cancel anytime in subscription on Settings. But you want to get a refund? Here's how you get your refund. For Android, visit pay.google.com and sign in with your Google account. Click Subscriptions and Services. Manage, View Transactions. Click here. You can find order ID or transaction number on the receipt page. Please email us with your order ID to get your refund. For iOS, you should make a direct refund request for iTunes or App Store purchases. You can find some ways to get a refund from this link. Check out the link in the description. But guys, before you request a refund, please remember that we are providing free trial for 3 days. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.